Welcome back to my channel. Trust me, I'm a pilot. In today's episode of Chat with Aviation Experts, we have Vishal Bulchandani, who is an AMT with Indigo Airlines. He's also been awarded for cost-cutting measures and cutting short defects in half, and he's also the highest scorer in AME course. Hi Vishal, we hope you're safe and well. Let's start with a little introduction for our viewers.
Hi guys, my name is Vishal Bulchandani and I'm from Jaipur. I currently work as an aircraft maintenance technician with Indigo Airlines.
What is an AME?
So what is AME? AME is a job profile which many people haven't heard of because it's a behind the scenes job and we usually don't come in interaction with passengers. So AME is basically a licensed aircraft maintenance engineer who certifies and makes sure that the aircraft is airworthy before each flight. So our job is to maintain the aircraft in the same way as it comes out of the factory for the entire duration of its service. Okay, so which includes different kinds of troubleshooting, thousands of checks, repairs, etc. After all, an aircraft is made of about 2 million components.
Explain the day-to-day responsibilities of your job.
So our responsibility starts about 60 minutes before an aircraft arrives. We need to track the aircraft, we need to check if there are any ongoing MELs, if something could be rectified in that transit time, and then head on to the bay at least 15 minutes before an aircraft arrives, check the bay for any FODs and do all sorts of inspection if there's any trestles or something which could obstruct the aircraft once it arrives. And once the aircraft arrives, we have a walk-around inspection, check if everything is fine, have a word with the captain, check if there are no snags or what is the status of the aircraft, get the fueling done and then prepare the aircraft for departure.
Describe your journey and what made you choose AME as a career.
My journey started when, after finishing my grade 12, I visited an aviation school. The counselor over there gave me two options, whether I like to work on the computer in an AC room or do I like to work hands-on on the aircraft in any weather condition. So definitely my choice was very clear. I wanted to work on the aircraft rather than sitting on a computer, so that's why I chose AME as my field. From there on, I finished my 2.5 years of course, and then I joined in Air India for my on-job training for 6 months, after which I was selected with Indigo Airlines as a technician and I've been working with them for the past 3 years.
What is the process and qualifications required?
So the criteria for joining a AME school is pretty simple. You need to have your 10+2 in PCM and you need to have a minimum of 45% in India. Some countries also have it, you need to have at least 75%, and also if you have color blindness you can't join this course.
What are pros and cons of your job?
Pros of this job is that you will get to, it's not a boring job, it's not a boring office job where you get bored sitting on the computer screen. This involves working with the aircraft which is made of about more than 2 million parts. There are so many components to work on, so many things to do, so many inspections to carry out that you never get bored. You will never be working on the same component daily. You will be every day having a new excitement, a new task in hand, which is one of the pros of this job. Some of the cons of this job would include that you need to work in any weather situations. If it's raining, if it's windy, if it's summer, you can't give an excuse of the weather. And also you will be having a lot of night shifts because mostly the aircrafts are on the ground during the night for their maintenance, so you will need to be prepared mentally for doing a lot of night shifts.
What's your take on AME job opportunities?
As per ICAO, in the next 20 years, the industry will be needing about 26,000 more aircrafts to serve the passenger demand. And by 2026, they expect that they will be needing about 400,000 new technicians and about 200,000 new aircraft maintenance engineers to maintain their fleet.
How aviation industry is coping with COVID-19?
So the aviation industry is slowly picking up with the post-COVID era with all the masks and the face shields on, but the occupancy still remains pretty low because now people are just traveling for their necessity and about 75% of the occupancy during the pre-COVID era was due to tourism, when people used to travel for leisure, which is definitely not happening at this moment. But I feel the airlines will soon recover, probably in a year's time, once we have some vaccine out and people will be more confident to travel.
What is the Indian aviation recovery situation?
I feel airlines in India are at a much better position as compared to the airlines in the Middle East or few South Asian countries which they depend on international travel. Since India has a great domestic market, so it will be the airlines in India which will be the first to recover as compared to few of the airlines which just depend on international travel, since it will take a lot of confidence and time for passengers to become comfortable in traveling international.
Thank you, Vishal, for joining us and guiding our viewers. If you guys have any questions, any doubts, let us know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video. Thanks for watching.